Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy without a cotton candy maker. First, gather your simple ingredients and prepare your workspace for this fun kitchen project. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Also, have your food coloring ready. Set up a clean, heat-resistant surface, like a baking sheet covered with parchment paper, to catch the spun sugar strands. A candy thermometer is crucial for success. To begin, combine the 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Allow the syrup to boil gently, without any further stirring, until it reaches a precise temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is key for the sugar to become brittle. Once your sugar syrup hits that critical 320 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. Now is the time to carefully stir in a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Be gentle, as the syrup is very hot. After adding the color, let the syrup cool down for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. This cooling period is important. It allows the syrup to thicken slightly, reaching a consistency that will drip slowly and form fine strands when spun. Now for the fun part, spinning your cotton candy. Dip a whisk or a fork into the slightly cooled, thickened sugar syrup. Hold the tool over your prepared surface and quickly wave it back and forth. You'll see delicate sugar threads begin to form and fall onto the surface. Gently gather these fine strands onto a wooden skewer or a paper cone. Continue dipping and waving until you've used all your syrup, creating fluffy, homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.